Digitize bureaucracy, the software to improve citizen-authority interaction. 2018, Lüneburg. A new chapter in Leuphana girl's life. Just a few days in Lüneburg, her first problem arises. She needs to register her new address, but since the events at the opening week take long, it's hard for her to show up in person at the registration office. Leuphana girl is upset. Our solution? Digitize it. From smart homes to smart cities up to a smart Germany. Imagine the future. Bureaucracy is completely digitized. Leuphana girl only connects to the citizen network service with her ID and registers her new address in just a few seconds. Then the system transfers that address throughout all relevant institutions and organizations. Furthermore, the system connects healthcare, banking, online accounts and insurances. Now Leuphana girl is happy because the bureaucracy is easier, faster and much more flexible. Registration, passport, visa, vehicle approval, elections, founding companies. What else might be possible? A connected Europe, a connected world, even without physical devices?